Like basic some information. It's like a Vanguard made in Myanmar, and net weight is 2.85 kg, gross weight is 4.8 with include I think box. And let's see main. Okay, this is I received from Amazon, and the if you see the MRP is 17,590, and it's a date of import is Jan 2019. It's a recent one. Okay, come on. Let's also excited to open it. What inside it is? Is there anything left? It's not empty. And now see main bag. Okay, this is the bag. This is the bag I received from Amazon. It's like a brand new and unsealed piece. Okay, for its looks it's too big. You see this much width and this much height. Okay, if you see like this much is up to its my knee height, almost like a, it comes like a 45 centimeter I guess. Let's open up from this side. And okay, we have to open from bottom. Okay. Nice packing, but let's see. Okay, this is the finally one. I bought a new camera bag. Okay, as per the Amazon description I received it. It looks very tough. Okay, for carrying and everything. Now I have opened it. Yeah, it's very good actually. If you see, back support is very good. It's like very cushiony type, and you know it looks like a very professional ALTA 53 Vanguard back. They have like what you can keep inside and all, it's there. Okay, maybe you can see now. This is the bag. Let's see, open up. They keep bag with these airbags because of you cannot press or compress kind of thing. If it's compressed, maybe you can miss lot of things. Okay, see here you can keep SD card bags. This is maybe here some nice bag you can keep cables or something. Okay, like if you see, it's like they by default they give for drone kind of thing. Drone can easily fit it now. Apart from that, we can explore here more. I think this is bottom support. Bags looks very tough. Okay. This is the front side. Yeah, this is how we have right bit. This is the side you can keep your tripod. And now we can open this entire bag from front side. Okay, here they given two zips. Okay, first we can free some space, then people can easily come. Now finally it's in. See now, you can keep lot of camera accessory lens and different cameras, you can keep it. Okay, this is how we have to open. Apart from that, you can keep your 17 inches laptop if you have any. Okay, laptop can be fit here very easily. See, it's very spacious. Okay, you can keep always you have to keep the cameras like these. Okay, and lens and accessories, flashes, everything. Then laptop you can keep here easily. Okay, it's very tough and laptop can fit very comfortably. Okay, and here you can see lot of zips, and here you can save tripod or water bags also. First I will close, then you can see very clearly. Okay, now see this also I will close, and here you can see lot of chips are there. You can keep any additional accessories or anything. Okay, apart from there, now I'm going to show here the zips. Okay, here you can keep any camera accessories, and here you can keep tripod also. Tripod can be fitted very, okay, it's a very depth and very easy spaces. And here also you can keep cameras was shown on the website or Vanguard official website as per their description, and here also same kind of space is there. Okay, this is like a Vanguard ALTA 53 unpack. Okay, thank you guys watching for this video, and please subscribe to my channel.